Okay, so today we are going to be practicing how to write a complete sentence, and a complete sentence needs to have several things. So the first thing that a complete sentence has is that it always starts with a capital letter. Siempre comienza con una letra mayúscula. Another thing that a complete sentence has is that it has finger space in between the words. So there's space to separate the words, and it also tells an idea. So an idea is something that makes sense. So if I say purple, that's not a complete sentence because we don't know what is happening with the color purple. But if I say she has a purple shirt, that is a complete sentence because there is a noun and there is an action. The girl has a purple shirt. So right here, this sentence is I see the fat cat. So the nouns in this sentence are I and cat, and the action verb is see. So I am seeing a cat. So there's two nouns in this sentence. So what we're going to do today is we are going to use some of our sight words that we had from the first quarter, and we are going to use them to write a sentence. So I, can, the, we, see, a, like, to, and go. Okay, so I only used a few of them. I didn't use all of them because I can make lots of sentences with all of these words. And I'm going to show you how I made my sentence, and you're going to write the same sentence. If you want to come up with a different sentence, you can, or you can just use the one that I'm giving you for today, okay? Because we're just practicing how to write capital letters and to leave spaces and to add a period. Okay, so we're gonna start. On your journal, you have these lines, and you wanna make sure that when you're writing a capital letter that you fill up the entire line. So I, and then finger space. I'm gonna copy C, finger space, the, finger space, fat, space, cat. And then a sentence always ends with a punctuation mark, so I need to add a period at the end of the sentence. So you're going to do this, and I want you to write the sentence at least 2 times. I see the fat cat. And then the last thing that you're going to do is we are going to come up with an illustration. So we have to make an illustration that matches the sentence that we wrote. So the sentence is about a cat that is fat, and it's also about me. So I'm going to draw myself, circle, an eye, nose, make myself a ponytail today. So here, some lines for the neck, and like a U, like a t-shirt. Let's see. Some jeans, shoes, and if I was to see a fat cat, the first thing that I would want to do is I would want to touch it because I love cats. I'm going to draw my hand stretching out like if I was going to try and touch the cat. And I'm going to make this setting outdoors. So we are outdoors. Probably I would see a cat in a neighborhood, maybe in front of a house. So I'm going to draw a house to add some detail. Draw a bush in front of the house. And then I'm going to draw the cat. So he's fat, so I'm going to make him super big. And then his curvy tail. And then head, some triangles for the ears, a nose, whiskers, and some little paws. Okay, so there is the fat cat that I see. Make his belly. If you want to add more detail once you're done, you can tell that I am walking in a neighborhood and I see a fat cat. So I have a sentence and now I have an illustration that goes with my sentence. So I want to make my cat different. You can make your cat with stripes. You can make your cat all one color. Maybe your cat has spots. However you want to make it, okay? It's your illustration. Just make sure that your illustration matches the sentence. I see the fat cat. Okay, so I can't wait to see what you guys illustrate in your fat cats today. Make sure that you remember to capitalize your sentence, leave space, and to add your punctuation mark at the end, okay? Adios.